Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this bamboo organizer, and man, oh man, do I love it.
I'm not an organized person at all. So my desk is full of pens and pencils and crayons and color pencils and so many different art and office supplies. This is perfect. I love the handle. I love that it spins. I love that it helps me to organize all of the things that I need and all of the many compartments that it has. So not only does it stay separate, but it's together at the same time. The hexagon shape is really fun too, and the compartments can hold a lot of supplies. The detail of the wood is so pretty, so nice, so sleek. I really love it so much.
So if you are not organized like me and you need some organization in your life, this is the product that I would recommend. If you need to organize your office space or your art supply space or really anything creative that you can think that can go in here, it really does hold it well and keep it nice and organized. I think that this product is amazing. I use it all the time, and that's my point of view.